Cancer means abnormal, uncontrolled, and purposeless division of cell may lead to the formation or development of mass of undifferentiated cells, that is tumor. Cancer harms the body when cancerous cells divide uncontrollably to form new lumps or masses of tissue called as neoplasm. Tumor may develop anywhere in the body. However, all tumors are not cancerous. There are two types of tumors: benign tumor or non malignant tumor, and cancerous tumor or malignant tumor. Benign or non malignant tumor. It grows slowly, may attain quite a large size, but it remains restricted to the site of its origin. That is, it remains to that particular area only and does not spread to other parts of the body. Malignant tumor or cancerous tumor, the growth rate of this tumor is rapid and mortality means death rate, is comparatively more than benign tumor. These cells are spread from one organ to another via blood or lymph and form new tumor called as secondary tumor. This migratory process is called as metastasis. Benign and malignant tumor. This is benign tumor. It is restricted to that particular area only. The cells, these are the normal tissue cells which remain in that area. This is malignant tumor. These cells, they don't have any boundary, so they can spread anywhere in the human body. Types of cancer. There are 5 main types of cancers according to the type of tissue affected: carcinoma, sarcoma, lymphoma, leukemia, and adenocarcinoma. Let us study carcinoma. Cancer which arises from epithelial tissue. Example: breast cancer, lung cancer, cancer of stomach, skin cancer, etc. Sarcoma. Cancer that arises from connective tissue is called sarcoma. It includes bone tumor, that is osteosarcoma, muscle tumor, that is myosarcoma, cancer of cartilage, that is chondrosarcoma, and cancer of adipose tissue, that is called as liposarcoma. Lymphoma. Cancer that arises from lymphatic tissue called as lymphoma. It occurs in the lymphatic node, spleen, tissue of immune system. Leukemia. It is a type of blood cancer in which there is excessive formation of white blood cell, that is WBC. There are various types of leukemia such as monocytic leukemia, lymphoblastic leukemia, etc. Adenocarcinoma. Adenocarcinoma cancer arises in thyroid, pituitary, adrenal, and other glandular tissue. Causes of cancer. Chemicals. Several chemicals are known to induce cancer. Example: nicotine, caffeine. Products of combustion of coal and oil, several polycyclic hydrocarbon, some sex hormones, and steroids. Radiations are also responsible for cancer. X-rays, gamma rays, cosmic rays, ultraviolet rays, etc. are carcinogenic. Carcinogenic means which causes cancer. Causes of cancer. Third cause, viruses. Viruses also causing cancer have gene called viral oncogene, that is V oncogenes. These viruses are also called oncogenic viruses. Example: EBV, that is Epstein-Barr virus, HPV, that is human papilloma virus, etc. Oncogenes are also responsible for cancer. Several genes called cellular oncogenes, C oncogenes, or proto-oncogenes have been identified in normal cell, which when activated under certain condition could lead to oncogenic transformation of the cell. Addiction. Smoking, chewing of tobacco, alcohol, and drug consumption also causes cancer. Treatment of cancer. Cancer treatment consists of combination of number of therapies. which are as follows. Number 1, chemotherapy. Chemotherapy comprises administration of certain anti-cancer drugs. The anti-cancer drug inhibit DNA synthesis. Chemotherapy may lead to hair loss or anemia, but both get corrected after the treatment is stopped. Radiotherapy, the rays, X-rays, gamma rays and charged particles are also used to destroy cancerous tissue or cells. Surgery, in surgery, entire cancerous tissue or cells are removed surgically. Immunotherapy, the patients are given substances such as alpha interferon which activate immune system and help in destroying the tumor. Supportive therapy is used to treat the symptom of cancer and side effect of cancer treatment. Objective of this therapy is to improve the quality of life of cancer patient. This therapy varies depending upon condition of individual patient. Let us study AIDS. AIDS is the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. It is usually fatal illness caused by a retrovirus, that is single-stranded RNA, known as immunodeficiency virus HIV, which weakens the body's immune system. This is the structure of HIV. HIV is approximately 100 to 140 nanometer in diameter. It is spherical in shape, and this virus particle shows centrally placed to single-stranded RNA. It is covered by two layers of protein. One is called as matrix protein, another is called as capsid protein. It is also surrounded by glycoprotein 120 and glycoprotein 41. It consists of the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Mode of transmission of HIV. Number 1, unsafe sexual contact. Number 2, blood. Number 3, from mother to child. Symptoms of AIDS. Within a few weeks of HIV infection, flu-like symptoms such as fever, sore throat and fatigue can occur. Then the disease is usually asymptomatic until it progresses to AIDS. AIDS symptoms include weight loss, fever or night sweat, fatigue and recurrent infections. Preventive measures of AIDS. AIDS has no cure, hence prevention is best choice. The following steps help in preventing this dreadful disease. Disposable needles and syringes should be used. Sexual habits should be changed immediately. Toothbrushes, razor, other articles that can become contaminated with blood should not be shared. Before receiving blood, ensure that it has been screened, means tested, for not containing HIV infection. Laboratory diagnosis. At first, a test is used to detect HIV antibodies, while second confirmatory test is used to weed out the false positive result. The first test is ELISA, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay test. Confirmatory test, usually Western blot test. It is a highly specific test. It is based on detecting specific antibody to viral core protein and envelope glycoprotein. Treatment of AIDS. Although AIDS has no cure, certain medicines called as antiretroviral drugs can help in reducing viral load and prolong the life of HIV patient. Example of this drug use: antiretroviral therapy ART, or TDF, that is tenofovir, EFE, that is efavirenz, and lamivudine 3TC, etc. 3TC means thiacetidine. Every year, December 1st is observed as a World AIDS Day. A red ribbon, it is worn on World AIDS Day as a universal symbol of awareness and support for people living with HIV.